One of the biggest questions I get about people looking to file a Chapter 7 bankruptcy is, will I lose my house? Okay. And it's an excellent question, and one of the ones I deal with usually during the initial consultation to see whether Chapter 7 is a good idea. Now, what I ask for is to see an appraisal or comparative market analysis by a realtor to see what your home is worth. All right. I then look at the payoff figures on the mortgages. Because a trustee in a Chapter 7 is going to say, look, if I sold this house, would any of the creditors get paid? It's called a liquidation analysis. So, okay, I've got a home worth X dollars. Well, by the time I pay the realtor his or her commission, closing costs, the bankruptcy trustee gets a commission. That's roughly about 10% of its value, so you knock that out first. Then they've got to pay the mortgage company their amount, so that gets paid. And then under the bankruptcy code, you're allowed to keep a certain amount of the equity in your home. It's called an exemption. And these exemptions change every 3 years, but currently, right now, they're a little over $21,000 per individual. So a husband and wife would get a little over $42,000 of that equity to keep upon the house sale. So the trustee then says, all right, I've now paid the cost of sale, I've now paid the mortgage company. Is there going to be more than $42,000 left? And is there going to be enough left to make it worthwhile to pay the creditors? Okay, so it's a matter of doing the arithmetic. When you have the right numbers, a good valuation on the home, and solid numbers on the mortgage payoffs to see whether there's a risk to your home. And in this real estate market, where a lot of people owe more than the home is worth, it's not a risk. Bottom line, talk to a bankruptcy attorney. I'll be happy to sit down with these numbers and do a liquidation analysis for you to see whether your home's at risk. Chances are it won't be. So that shouldn't be a barrier to your considering bankruptcy or filing it.